To create a new repository by clicking on the new. So after clicking on the new, we expect to see something like this. So I'm going to type the name of the repository one. This is my first repository as a full stack developer. So this so that is it. Then just come here, then click on create repository. So after we have created our repository, then the next thing is to go to our they are going to take us to a page where we are going to see our repository we have created. So include with other little information like that are kind of useful. So the only thing I'm just going to copy here is this git.remote or git remote add origin. Make sure you copy that till the end. That is the only thing you should copy. Oh shit, I didn't grab that. Let me select all. Shoot, no. Let me click here whether I can copy that. Let me do it wage. I'm having issue selecting this. So I can copy. So that is the only thing we should copy. After copying that, we are going to go to our Git, our terminal where we are working. So on our terminal, I'm going to set it up. So I'm going to pause. So I am on my sandbox now. So you expect to have something created it before. So now dash r, that's what I want to create. So name of the var 0 Don't know why this is clicking on itself. Then 0 underscore d. So I've removed that. So I'll hit enter. The next thing I'm going to do, this where we are going to start from. The first thing is to create a this thing. So I'm going to say make directory. Then I'm going to say 0, then underscore d. Then I'm going to hit enter. Now inside the 0 underscore d, I'm going to cd inside 0 underscore d. So I'm inside this 0 underscore d. The first thing I'm going to type is git. Then I'm going to initialize init. So hit enter. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is git. So I'm going to create an empty file, a readme file. So I'll just echo whatever. So before I do the echo, I can just come here and echo this is my output projects. Then I put greater than symbol. Then I put readme dot md. Then I'm going to hit enter. So that's what I'm going to do. Now the next thing there is, after that, I'm going to initialize. I'm going to git, then add it. Add, then dot. I'm going to hit that, then git, then commit -m. So I'm going to call that my first commit. My first commit. Then after that, I'm going to git. I'm just going to paste this here. So I'll check that. So I expect to have this remote add remote, then remote, then add origin, then git at github.com, then column, then your username. So the username there was faithful Gina, then git underscore day dot this. So if you want to see all these, I'm just going to hit enter. So for you to see all of those stuff there, I think I not space complete. So I'm going to do that now. So I'll go back. I need to navigate back, but let me show you where I get that from. I get that from the upper mini base size. You want to see why I get that? I copy that from this place. I'm about to show you now. Oh, just need to have a little patience, wait for it to load, and when it loads, we copy it from there. So you see something like this. So you see it here, somewhere here. So just copy this, then drag it, drag like that to where we stop. Then I'll click on copy to copy that. So you make sure you copy from this place. So I come back to my 2 marks. So I'm going to paste it there. Paste. So I'm going to hit enter, and that is it. So I'm going to clear screen. So after doing that, the next thing is I'm going to put, but before I'll be able to put the particular thing so you just copy that. I'm just going to copy from here to where we have that. So I just click on copy, then come here and type CAT space, then I'm going to paste it there. Paste. So you can see that. So see what I have here from here. So yeah. So make sure you copy that. Then I'm going to hit enter. So I have the key. I'm going to copy the key. Sorry for that. So what's wrong with this? I'm going to copy this key, SSH and whatever. Copy it to this point here and click on copy. Then we are going to look for the SSH. So I'll click on this. I'll go to settings, click on settings, then enter your settings, you scroll till you see this SSH and GPG keys. I'm going to click on it, so make sure I click on it. So when you have clicked on it, you scroll down. When you scroll down, you see new SSH key, the green button here. So you click on it, click on the green button there. So we are going to come down again, and we have title there, or you just put the title. And see, we have added it successfully. This is the SSH key we have added. Now we can go back to our terminal. You open your terminal. Actually I have disconnected, so let me connect again. So I have connected. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a readme file. Project. So that's what we have inside there. That's it. So I'm going to clear that. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say git, then I'm going to say put. Then I'm going to say math. Let me just say here. Connected successfully. In our zero and uploading our readme file to it. So that's what we are going to check now to see whether it has pushed successfully. So I'm gonna click this. So click on dashboard. Then not doing anything here. So just click here. Then I expect to see repositories, right? Okay, so these are the repositories. I'll just click on this 0, this one we have here. So you see, our readme file has been uploaded successfully. We have our readme, and inside the readme we have this is my project inside it, so it is successful. Now the next thing we are going to do is we are going to go back to our editor. Then inside our editor we are going to create a folder. So we say make directory. I'm going to call it 0x00. Then I think the name of the folder should be that Vagrant. So you better check the spelling of the folder. Vagrant and that's the name of this thing. So you have created, you hit enter. So when you ls to check, we expect to see the list of, we have a folder background and we have a readme there too. Now the next thing we are going to do is the uname of a thing. So the uname of a thing, if it I'll go to my this thing to check the tax again to see if we have successfully done that. So I need to leave here, open our background projects. So we have done this, we have created this, we have undergo this. You can check this. Now under this, inside our 0 repo, create a new directory which we have created, add a readme file, the directory. So we are going to create the readme file to inside the same directory. Then we are going to use the uname to print. Type your answer in the file. So what is the name of the file? The name of the file is 0, and this is what should be inside it. So I'm going to go back to our terminal. So inside our terminal, I'm going to say 0, then echo CHO. So we are going to put a $sign. Inside this, we are going to put uname, then you close it. Then we are going to put a greater than sign. Then we are going to put the name of the file 0, then dash hello underscore ubuntu, then I'm going to hit enter. So if we cut that 0 dash hit, so we expect to see Linux inside it. So I'm going to clear. So the next thing we're going to do is, I haven't created the file, we are going to create a readme file. So I'm just going to do the same thing for readme file. I'll just do the same thing. So I'm just going to delete what we have here and put echo, the same thing. And I'm going to put inside the readme file readme dot call md, and we hit enter, and that is it. That is all we have to do. The next thing is to git, then push, git add. That's the first thing we need to do. Add dot enter, then git, then commit, then dash m, then inside it you can put something like Linux, inside. Then the next thing you are going to do is git, then you are going to push. So git push, and so I think we have this thing. So we are going to copy what we have here. Git push set upstream origin master. Will come here, we paste it there, and we'll hit enter, and I think we have done move it successfully. So let's go and check whether we have done the right thing. We have completed the task successfully. So we have done this. Then for this, type your answer into a file in git 0x0 then push it to GitHub. Name your file according as shown below. So we have created this, we have also created this, and inside this we have created this inside. So that's what we have done. So you can check your code and see if it's correct. So if there's any error, just let me know. Okay. For the project that we have left, so I think VI here is undone. So I'll click here to see what we need to do. So inserting and all the stuff like that. And I think I should have done this. Let me check my code. Let me see. So I think I've done this already. So my own end, I'm just to check all the codes to confirm that they are correct. So you are just going to be patient for me to check everything. So close. So I've successfully checked everything. So I'll go back to my other parts of the project. Then I'm gonna refresh to see. Then for the Git project, I'm gonna open this, and it's still kind of the same with the previous one we have done. So I'll come here, then I'll try checking it to see if it checks. So let me see. So it's not check. So I'm gonna check my repository. I'm gonna check, sorry, ALX-0 underscore D. If I have done that, so maybe I might not have this thing. So let me check my sandbox to know if I've gotten that. So I'm going to paste my login details for me to be able to log in. And my password. So to be able to sign in with the password. So clear. Good. So I'm going to ls to check what I have there. If I have ALX-0, so I have ALX then pre underscore course. Now in a situation like this, what are we going to do? So I want to check what I can do with CD. I'll be able to copy everything. So I'm going to create my own. So I'll come over here, then I'm going to go through them. for the ALM for the Git, I'm just gonna come here. So I'm going to create a repository ALX0_this. I'll just copy this, then I'll copy the description, which is this one here. I'll copy this description here. I'll copy that. Then the next thing is I'm going to create a file readme.md with a content, my first readme as usual. Then I think we are going to commit it with the change, my first commit, and that is it. That is for this tax. So that's what I'm going to do right away. So what I'm going to do is very simple. I will just come to my Termux. So I'll quit here because I don't want that again. So I'm going to make a directory. Make directory. I'm going to hit, sorry, argument is missing. So make directory space, then I'm going to paste the name of that file there. Oh, sorry, not this. Make directory, then I'm going to paste the file there, which is ALX whatever. So make sure you have ALX here. So sorry. So I'm going to hit enter. So if we clear our screen and check again, so ls, so you see that we have ALX 0_day. So inside that, I'm going to cd inside there. So I just put 0, sorry, cd ALX, then -0. I don't know what's wrong with this. cd ALX-0. ALX-0. Then underscore. I don't know what's wrong with this. Then D. ALX 0 underscore D. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to git so we have the dot git there. Yeah. Mhm. Forgot to put the my GitHub. At my GitHub, I'll create a folder called ALX-0 underscore D. So that's what I'm going to do next.